Mabangong buhay everyone! So today I'll show you the Just My 2 Cents new reseller package. So first we have the safety foam and then bubble wrap. So first we have Just My 2 Cents Next Gen bottle. We have here 2 bottle. Each bottle po has 15 to 20% oil base and 40 ml po each bottles. Yan. So first we have F2 for female. F2 is flawless, inspired by Clinique Happy Heart. And then next we have M1 Irresistible, inspired by Lacoste Red. And next we have also the Just My 2 Cents Tester Vials. We have here 10 variants para sa male and then 10 variants para sa female. We also have the Just My 2 Cents Lux Perfume. We have here 2 bottles. Ito naman po, each bottle has 50 ml and up to 30% oil base. Yan, as you can see, very elegant and very classy. First, we have here Suave. Our Suave is inspired by Sauvage Dior. And then Opulent. Opulent is inspired by Versace Bright Crystal. We have the Just My 2 Cents Lux Tester Vials. Ito pong dalawang variant na to is for female, and then itong dalawang variant na to is for male. So we have 2 variants for female and then 2 variants for male. And then next we have Jojoba Carrier Oil. Our Jojoba Carrier Oil po is unscented. Yan. Ideal for massage, hair care, and then nail care. And then next, we have 6 essential oil. Our essential oil po has benefits and every bottle po is 10 ml. Yan. So first, we have tea tree. Our tea tree is for purifying and antibacterial. And then eucalyptus is clears airway and refreshes. And then lemongrass. Lemongrass naman po is energizing and deodorizing. And then lavender. Our lavender naman po, it can help calm your mind and aids to sleep. And then next, we also have peppermint. Our peppermint naman po can help boost focus and cool your mind. And then last, we have orange. Orange naman po can brighten your mood and refreshes your moods. This 6 essential oil is perfect for humidifier, diffusers, home aromatherapy, and perfect din po for mixing to our Jojoba Carrier Oil again. Yan. And then last, we have our very unique and first in the Philippines, our Necklace Perfume Charm Stone. This is crafted from authentic natural stone with authentication certificate. Yan. It comes with a squeezer. Yan. It comes with a squeezer. And then, fragrance oil. Our fragrance oil po is pure oil. Mas concentrated po yung fragrance na ito kasi pure oil po ito. And this is how it works po. Just simply open the neck bottle. Yan. After po natin ma-open yung neck bottle, kuha po tayo ng oil, 1 ml. And then, put it onto the stone. And then, remove po natin yung stopper. After po natin ma-remove yung stopper, close na po natin para po mag-diffuse na yung amoy niya. Yan. This one is rose quartz. Our rose quartz po, it can attract positive energy, unconditional love. It can bring peace and calm. We also have other variant. Yan, suot ko. Ang aming Black Obsidian. Ang Black Obsidian naman po, it can protect you from negative energy. It gives you purification, manifestation, and fulfillments. And then last, we have our new developed product, which is our own version of body spray. Meron po tayo dito for female, and then meron po tayo dito for male. Meron po tayong 3 variant for female, and then 3 variant for male. Each bottle po has 100 ml. And that's it! So if you're ready to start your business journey with us, just send us a message. Maraming salamat!